Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Hannah, and today we are going to talk about public transport problems in English, like late buses, delays, and missing your stop.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Hannah, how are you today?
Hi, Kevin. I am good. How are you?
I am good too.
Nice.
Did you take public transport today?
Yes, I did. I took the train.
Was it on time?
Today, yes, but not always.
Oh, really?
Yes, sometimes it is late.
Same for buses.
Yes.
Today, we will learn calm English for problems.
Yes, calm English is important because problems can make you nervous.
True, but we can still speak slowly.
And politely.
Exactly.
This is beginner English.
Yes, easy words.
Easy sentences.
And real-life situations.
Let's start.
First, let's talk about the most common problem.
A late bus.
Yes, the bus is late.
How do you feel when the bus is late?
I feel worried.
Because you might be late for work.
Yes, or late for school.
Or late for an appointment.
Right.
What is one simple sentence?
The bus is late.
Very simple.
Another sentence is, my bus is delayed.
Delayed means late.
Yes.
If you want to ask, what can you say?
Excuse me, is the bus delayed?
Good.
Or, do you know when the bus will arrive?
Nice.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay.
You are waiting at a bus stop.
I am another passenger.
Great. Excuse me, is this bus usually on time?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you know when it will arrive?
I'm not sure. Maybe in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That is a normal conversation.
Yes, simple and friendly.
Now, what if you need to call your boss?
Yes, you need to explain.
You can say, sorry, my bus is late.
Good.
I will be there soon.
Nice.
I might be late today.
Very useful. Kevin, do you want to practice that?
Yes, let's practice.
You call your boss.
Okay. Hi, sorry, my bus is late.
Okay, what time will you arrive?
I think I will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Thank you.
Very clear.
Yes.
And calm.
Exactly. Now, another problem is missing your stop.
Oh no.
Yes, you are on the bus.
And you do not get off.
Then you pass your stop.
It happens to everyone.
Yes, especially if you are tired.
Or if you are looking at your phone.
True.
What do you say when you miss your stop?
I missed my stop.
Very simple.
Or, sorry, I missed my stop. Where am I?
Good.
Or, how do I go back?
Nice question.
Let's role play on the bus.
Okay.
I am the passenger.
I am the bus driver.
Excuse me, I think I missed my stop.
Okay, which stop did you want?
I wanted Park Street.
We already passed it.
Oh no, what should I do?
Get off at the next stop, then take the bus back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Very realistic.
Yes.
Now, a small funny moment.
Okay.
I missed my stop one time.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was listening to music.
And you forgot?
Yes.
What happened?
I got off and I was in a place I did not know.
A surprise adventure.
Yes, a free tour again.
Haha.
I felt nervous, but I asked for help.
Good. Asking is important. Another common problem is taking the wrong bus.
Yes, wrong bus, wrong direction.
You get on, but it goes somewhere else.
Exactly.
What can you ask before you get on?
Does this bus go to Central Station?
Great.
Is this bus going to City Center?
Perfect. What if you are already on the bus?
You can ask, is this the right bus for Central Station?
Nice.
Or, I think I am on the wrong bus.
Very clear.
Let's role play.
Okay.
You are the passenger.
I am a passenger too. Excuse me, does this bus go to City Center?
I don't think so. I think it goes to Riverside.
Oh no, I need City Center.
You should get off at the next stop and take bus number 5.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Great.
Simple help.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about trains.
Okay.
Train problems can be big.
Yes, delays and cancellations.
Right.
What does canceled mean?
It means the train will not come.
Yes, no train.
That can be stressful.
Very stressful.
Let's start with a delay.
Okay.
You hear an announcement.
You might not understand.
Yes.
What can you do?
Look at the screen.
Or ask a staff member.
Yes.
What do you say?
Excuse me, is the train delayed?
Good.
How many minutes late is it?
Nice.
What time will it arrive?
Great.
Role play with station staff.
Okay.
I am the traveler.
I am the staff.
Excuse me, is the train to downtown delayed?
Yes, it is. Delayed.
How long is the delay?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Very simple.
Yes.
Now, what if the train is canceled?
Then you need a new plan.
Yes.
What do you say?
Is my train canceled?
Good.
What should I do?
Simple.
Is there another train?
Great.
Is there a bus instead?
Nice question.
Let's role play.
Okay.
Excuse me, my train is canceled. What should I do?
You can take the next train at 6 p.m.
Okay. Is there an earlier option?
Yes, you can take a bus from platform B.
Great. Thank you for your help.
No problem. That is a helpful conversation.
Yes. Another problem is missing your train.
Oh no.
You run, but the doors close.
That is painful.
Yes.
What do you say?
I missed my train.
Simple.
Is there another train soon?
Great.
When is the next train?
Very useful. Sometimes people say, I just missed it.
Yes. I just missed it means it left a moment ago.
Nice phrase.
Very common.
Now, let's talk about ticket problems. Yes, tickets can be confusing.
Problem 1, you don't know where to buy a ticket.
Problem 2, the ticket machine is confusing.
Problem 3, you lost your ticket.
Problem 4, the ticket does not work.
Yes.
Let's start with the ticket machine.
Okay.
What can you say?
Excuse me, how do I buy a ticket?
Good.
Can you help me use the machine?
Great.
I want a ticket to Central Station.
Simple and clear.
Role play.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me use the ticket machine?
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to Central Station.
Okay, press tickets, then choose Central Station.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Nice.
Yes. Now, lost ticket.
That is stressful.
Yes.
What can you say?
I lost my ticket.
Very simple.
I can't find my ticket.
Good.
What should I do?
Yes. Sometimes you need to talk to a ticket inspector.
Yes.
Inspector checks your ticket.
Right.
Let's role play that carefully and politely.
Okay.
Ticket, please.
I'm sorry, I lost my ticket.
When did you buy it?
Today, about 30 minutes ago.
Do you have proof of payment?
Proof means something that shows you paid.
Yes.
I paid by card. I can show you my phone.
Okay, please show me.
Here it is.
Okay, next time keep your ticket safe.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Good. Very polite.
Yes.
Now, another problem is the card or ticket does not work at the gate. Yes, the gate does not open.
That can be embarrassing.
But it happens.
What do you say?
Excuse me, my card is not working.
Nice.
This ticket is not working.
Great.
Can you help me, please?
Perfect. Now, refunds. Yes, refund is money back. Sometimes you can get a refund if the train is canceled.
Or if you buy the wrong ticket.
Yes.
What do you say?
Can I get a refund?
Very direct and clear.
Or, I'd like a refund, please.
More polite.
Yes.
You may also say, I bought the wrong ticket.
Yes.
Can I change it?
Great. Let's do a refund role play.
Okay.
Excuse me, my train was canceled. Can I get a refund?
Yes. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, we can refund it to your card.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is simple.
Yes. Hannah, what is your biggest transport problem? For me, delays. I hate waiting.
I understand.
What about you?
Missing the stop.
Haha.
My brain gets quiet on the bus.
Too quiet.
Yes.
Let's ask our listeners one question now.
Yes.
What is your biggest public transport problem?
Please write one word in the comments.
For example, delay, crowded, lost, or wrong bus.
Now we will do the learning section.
Yes, let's learn key phrases and grammar. Useful phrase 1. The bus is late. That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
My train is delayed.
Nice. Useful phrase 2. I missed my stop.
Very common.
Useful phrase 3. Is this the right bus?
Good question.
Useful phrase 4. Where is the platform?
Very useful in train stations.
Useful phrase 5. What time is the next train?
Great.
Now vocabulary.
Okay.
Late.
Late means not on time.
Delay.
Delay means late too.
Cancel.
Cancel means it will not happen.
Miss.
Miss means you did not catch it.
Platform.
Platform is where you wait for the train.
Transfer.
Transfer means change trains.
Refund.
Refund means money back.
Great.
Grammar tip. Past tense for problems.
Yes.
I miss my stop is present.
But the problem already happened.
So we say, I missed my stop.
Great.
I miss my train becomes I missed my train. Yes. Regular verb, miss, missed.
Now an irregular verb. Go.
Go becomes went.
Example, I went to the wrong platform.
Good.
Pronunciation tips.
Okay.
Ticket sounds like ticket.
Ticket.
Station sounds like station.
Station.
Canceled sounds like canceled.
Canceled.
Great.
Now listen and repeat time.
Yes, slow and clear. The bus is late.
The bus is late.
My train is delayed.
My train is delayed.
I missed my stop.
I missed my stop.
I missed my train.
I missed my train.
Is this the right bus?
Is this the right bus?
Does this train go to downtown?
Does this train go to downtown?
Which platform is it?
Which platform is it?
What time is the next train?
What time is the next train?
I lost my ticket.
I lost my ticket.
My card is not working.
My card is not working.
Can I get a refund, please?
Can I get a refund, please?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Great job.
Yes, these phrases can help you stay calm.
If you are enjoying this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps the channel a lot.
Hannah, let's finish with one final mini story.
Okay? You are going to work. The bus is late. Okay?
What do you do?
First, I check the bus schedule.
Good.
Then I wait for 10 minutes.
Okay.
If it is still late, I take another route.
Nice.
Or I take a taxi. Yes, a backup plan. And I send a message. Sorry, I might be late. Perfect. Calm plan. Yes,